Hey. Are you not hearing me? Are you not hearing me? What? Which kind of snoring is this one now? Go the drive machine for you. Oga, wake up. Oga. Which kind of snore be this one now? Eh? No need better I don't go to go work. You don't know. Why you not going? See the way he's even snoring. Save anywhere that he's going, you snore. You go to somebody's house, go to his friend, you be snoring like all this. I don't even know. He cannot even control himself. Baba, though that time has gone. Hey. Are you not hearing me? Are you not hearing me? What? When you have already drink finish yesterday, you are coming inside snoring like what I don't know. You not go rota.
How are you?
Which one is how are you? I'm not fine, yo. You are snoring since. I've been enjoying you. I beg bath, come they go walk.
What happened? What's today? What's the time?
This is 10 o'clock. Oh.
This is 9 now.
Your eyes pain. It's like that drink I've not removed from your eyes, have you? Eh? Oga, stand up, I beg. I beg, carry your snoring. Come up for this bed. You know they hear me.
Now, leave me now.
Leave you for what? Stand up, I beg.
Oh God.
Stand up, Don't irritate me. Stand up.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Me, I'm irritating you.
Yes.
What do you mean? You are talking to me like that. You don't have respect, oh.
You respect that they find them for bank.
Which kind of idiomatic expression is this one? See.
Idiomatic, you're speaking English.
Don't let me get annoyed.
Hey, only to.
Oh, leave me. I beg.
Drunkard. Very broke nigga. Very broke.
Are you sabi?
She does not have. Baba, stand up and start going, no.
I'll give you blow.
Oh, bearda. Stand up and beg. But anyway you are going, you cannot comport yourself. Even in this house, you cannot comport yourself. Baba, stand up, start going.
Why now? What happened now? Oh, I beg, give me your.
Don't spread my leg, go. Stand up, I beg. Come they go walk. You know the year, come they go walk. You no go open gas. You know say you go open gas shop. I beg, no spread my leg for me, oh. They way me at the manage. Some people no get leg. Stand up, Jehovah. Are you not hearing?
Let me sleep small now.
Stand up.
Let me sleep small now. Why you not go to work?
This is not the time. The dispatch rider for the hair have not come. I'm already done making the hair for the person, my customer. So stand up.
I go and carry my bike. I go and dispatch now.
Not the car degree. That nonsense bike. So you look me if I should go and use that your stupid bike. That I've condemned finish.
Woman, wahala 5 and 6 now. They use wahala do you.
Stand up.
What's happen now?
Yeah, you go and drink finish. Come here and come and be vomiting. Drunkard.
Now I'll change it for you.
Change it.
Now I will change it for you. What happened, safe now? What happened? Every time wahala. So till you carry yourself enter social media, they know say na you be wahala couple. Wetin happen now? Which kind thing be all this one now?
Get out from here.
I cannot get out. This is my house. Leave me alone. Wetin happen?
Mo ń bú ẹ o.
Na me dey date you, abi na you dey date me? I no even know the oga for this relationship.
Mo ń bú
sef.
ẹ o. You know. Stand up. Start going to shop. Yeah. Oh, Baba, stand up and leave this side, abeg. Which one is leave you alone? Shift. Get out from here.
I don't like this thing, no. Let me go and with Jare.
Ode mumu. Saturday. Very broke. Money does not have. He will go outside. He will drink finish. Oh, he will come back. Come and be snoring like all these goats that is in this compound. Wait. The boy will come back here without beating. Rubbish. What happened? Yeah, get out from me. Stand up.
Whoa. The wahala is too much. I'll go and sleep in parlor.